Let me guess, you've got big goals, a powerful vision, but something keeps pulling you back. That quiet voice saying, "Who am I to do this?" Does that sound familiar? You're not alone. I created these courses because I've been there, I've seen it, I've done it, and I know what it takes to break through. Imposter syndrome. If you've ever felt like a fraud, even with proof of your brilliance, this is for you. We'll break the silence, reframe the fear, and build the confidence to own your success on your terms. The business boost. This isn't a cookie cutter blueprint. It's a clarity accelerator. So whether you're starting from scratch or trying to make sense of your strategy in your current business, I'll walk you through the essentials without the overwhelm. And then the C word. It stands for conditioning, control, coercion, choice, consequence, and can't. The unforeseen forces that shape your beliefs. This course is a mindset reboot. We'll explore how your story's been written and how you can start writing your own story. You don't need to be more qualified. You don't need to wait for permission. You just need the right support and the courage to start. So if you're ready, stop second guessing and start leading boldly where no other man's been before. These courses were made for you. Let's do this together. Come on, do it now.